Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to play rank match mode on Mobile Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to log in into your Mobile Legend account, and if you already are logged in, you can choose the mode over here, and then you can click rank. For this video or for this season, I am my rank is Legend 4 with the 2 stars. And if you are ready, click rank. And if you want to play with your friend, you can click invite button over here on the right corner. But if you want play solo, you can simply click start the game, and then wait a second for matchmaking. And enter the game. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.